Okay, I'll be doing many more videos on how to repair appliances. So subscribe. Hit the like button if you like the videos. And comment good or bad. Also, if I use a part to repair the appliances, I'll put a link in the description so you can buy from this channel. Let's get started. Okay, for dangerous reasons, remove the power cord from the wall, unplug the dryer. Never work on the dryer when the power cord is plugged in. So that's the first thing we need to do, take care of that. We'll be installing a start switch on this GE gas dryer. So here's the start switch right here. So we're gonna remove the 6 screws of the rear cover, 3 on top, 3 on the bottom. Okay, with the cover removed. Okay, now we're gonna remove the control panel, slide it to the right, and remove it out of the slots. Okay, grab the start switch knob, remove it. And with the start switch, turn counterclockwise. The little metal piece has to go over the plastic. To install it, turn it clockwise, lock it in behind that little plastic piece there, lock it in place. Now we're gonna install the control panel, slide it in slots and pull it to the left and replace the knob. And of course you're gonna put the cover back on with the 6 screws. The cover's on now. There you have it. Start switch is in place and installed. Okay, mission accomplished. Remember to follow me on YouTube and Facebook, Appliance Flipper. Okay, I'll be doing many more how-to step-by-step videos on how to repair appliances. So hit the like button, comment, good or bad, subscribe to the station so you can see these videos. And if I am using a part to repair the appliance, a link will be in the description so you can buy from this channel. Have a good one.